Morning everyone. Happy Thursday. I need to go to the grocery to buy what I need to actually. See, the sun is in my head. Ta-da! Very hot. We don't have balcony this time. That's why we need to go out of the house to have sunlight. See? The sun is in my head. I'm going to Lulu. I need to buy what I need to cook today. I'll go early so that while they're still sleeping. It's almost weekend again. How many days more? It's weekend again. We are very near with the WTC, World Trade Center Abu Dhabi. One building. Only one building. WTC in this building, and then our building is next to this building.